Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices settled lower as investors weighed a strong US dollar against the potential that US President-elect Donald Trump's foreign policy plans could squeeze global oil supply. US stocks soared to record highs after Republican Donald Trump won the 2024 US presidential election in a stunning comeback 4 years after he was voted out of the White House. The Dow Industrials, S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite all hit record highs. Upward of $1 billion worth of BlackRock's Bitcoin exchange-traded fund changed hands in the first minutes of trading after Donald Trump prevailed in the United States presidential election. Trump has said he wants to make America the crypto capital of the world. The euro-dollar pair plummeted 1.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 7.8% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The US FOMC press conference will be released at 19:30 GMT. Australia's exports at 0:30 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves at 23:50 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 3:35 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0:30 GMT. Germany's industrial production at 7 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.